Paramshanti. Welcome to a journey beyond borders, beliefs, and boundaries. A journey towards supreme peace through universal love. Supreme peace is not just the absence of conflict, it is the presence of divine harmony. It is an inner state beyond temporary happiness. It connects us to our higher self and to each other. Universal love is unconditional. It's not limited to family or friends. It extends to all living beings without judgment, without expectation. Meditate daily on the word Paramshanti. Practice love and forgiveness, not just towards others, but also yourself. Live truthfully and simply. I am peace. I am love. I am one with all. Paramshanti. Only universal love can unite us. Let's start with ourselves. Every morning for 2 minutes, send pure love and peace to every soul in the world. Affirm, I am a well wisher of all. This daily practice will bless you with unshakable supreme peace. In the end, forgiveness is not merely an act towards others, it is a profound gift we give to ourselves. It frees the heart from the weight of anger, the mind from the burden of resentment, and the soul from cycles of pain. By choosing forgiveness, we choose inner liberation. Supreme peace is not found in retaliation or holding on. It is found in release. And in that release, we discover a stillness so deep that it transforms us. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो,